Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, and I just got done creating this journal using Kelly Watson's kit, the Sherbet Lemon Summer, and this thing is massive. It has got a 3.5-inch spine. It is 8.5 by 6, and it's got 5 signatures. And I actually had a blast doing this one. I got carried away and wound up having to actually stop myself from making it even more massive than what it is. The first signature is here. Every image in this book is something that has been in the kit, that is in the kit. There is nothing other than what is in the kit. There's a couple stencils here and there, you'll see that throughout. But these are all images that Kelly has done, and I've made, I kind of printed it out in 3 different sizes so I could have fun with it. And this is the first signature. It flips out like this, and like I said, every image in this is from the kit. There's a lot of journaling space in this particular signature. We've got tags and tuck spots in different places. There's a couple Edith Holden papers that are in here. There's an envelope here that has a tag and a little journaling card. As massive as this book is, there's a good possibility that we might be here for like hours, but I'll try and make it as short as possible. Sorry, having trouble with that. And this one has got 2 pockets. There's this one down here, and then this one up here with this tuck spot here. So it's just a lot of different things in here. I mean, you could do so much with this kit. It is amazing. If you're a flower buff like I am, this is the one for you. You could record your gardening on it. You could draw a little outline of the garden that you'd like to put in. Or you could just keep it as a daily diary. Kind of pull an Edith Holden thing yourself. So, there's another tag. And this one is kind of cute. I like this because it comes up like this. You can take this out, and then there's a little booklet here that you can journal in. Stick it back in its little holder, and then stick it back in here. And this is, my hands just don't work like they used to. All the signatures are tied in, so if you wanted to change something, you could actually pull it out, put something on it, and then push it right back in. So, but that's that one. And then it folds back up nice and neat. And then there's another one in the back that is pretty much the same way. This has got a little booklet back here too. Another journaling card. And this one is basically for writing. There's not very much. There's a couple cute little things. Got a journaling card in there. I love all of these images. They're just gorgeous. There's a tuck spot right here. Let me see. Another tuck spot right here. edging that I did on the paper. Another Edith Holden, another tuck spot here, and on the back. And then this folds out so that you have writing on both sides. And just put that back in there. She's just got some gorgeous images of the flowers, and there's birds, and I don't know, it's a nature lover's dream journal as far as I'm concerned. I love it. And then this folds back, and then we go to the heart of the journal, and it's just full of all kinds of goodies. We've got tuck spots here. It's another one. I even printed it out on some stamps so that I could put it in there. Another tuck spot here. She's got her tickets here. Little journaling card. There's what I was telling you about the stencil. And you could use the tuck spot in there too, I mean, if you wanted to. Just take this out. Oops. And then just kind of stick it right back there. There's another card. This opens up to where you could journal on it if you wanted to. There's a tag in here. Another one of my little stickers that I made for this. But like I said, every one of these images is from her kit. Some more journaling cards. Oops. Little envelope, there's journaling cards in it also. It's another section. Another little envelope. I love these roses on there. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. It's just amazing. Little tickets. Another card. These are just gorgeous. There's another, oops. Full sheet. But you fold it and it fits right down in there. More cards. Another little note card to journal on. All of this is coffee dyed. Here's a little envelope with some journaling space on the back. There's another one. Look at that. I love that. There's another one coming up that I just am in love with too. This image. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it's amazing. Oops. I had so much fun with this kit. It's crazy. There was just so much I could do with it. I mean, you could make this as simple or as complex as you like, and this one was just too much fun. I had a blast with it. Another stencil that I did for this. Just a little collage. There's another little tuck spot. Another signature. Look at these birds. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh. Well, you caught me. I was supposed to be there and I forgot to glue it down. I'm sorry. More Edith Holden. Another tag in here. These are all, I mean, she's made, it's just a beautiful, beautiful kit. I love it. Absolutely love it. Each one of the signatures has pretty much the same thing, all the different images, and then there's the dyed paper, of course. Each one of the signatures has a sheet out of Edith Holden's book. This one flips out. So there's that image that those butterflies are just gorgeous. This opens up. This is a belly band. This is the same lace that I used as the closure for the book. You can see it's vintage. Little tuck spot there. Aren't they beautiful? There's another one that's got a pocket too, that you can put a ticket in there if you wanted to, or just another journaling card. But Kelly, you outdid yourself with this one. I love it. This has got some journaling. You might want to use a heavy marker on that one if you decide to journal on it. Another tuck spot. You can tell it's one of my favorite images. I love it. So, and all these little ones, they're so cute. Another tuck spot there. This is another book from one of her images that she's got in here. Another tag. Oops. There's another tuck spot for that. This is another tuck spot. Like that. Look at those. Sorry, I just bumped you guys. Didn't mean to. Another little sticker. Another pocket. And this one. Oops. Uh-oh. Might have a problem with that one. There. Okay. And then this tag. Well, I turned it into a tag. So I hope you like it. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe if you'd like. I would appreciate it. And let me know what you think. So you guys have a good day.